Hey divine folks, so this is your April reading. Let's see how your April month is gonna be. So you can choose a pile which calls out you intuitively, and the timestamps are in the description column below. If you feel like two piles are calling out to you, choose both. Maybe there is a hidden message for you in the second pile as well. So let's check what is there. What is gonna happen this April month for you guys. Okay. Yes. So pause the video and choose a pile which calls out you intuitively. Thank you, guys. Hey pile 1, so if you have chosen clear chords, pile 1, let's check what is gonna happen this April. So this card is like the theme of your month, theme of the month, your theme of April month. We are gonna check this out later at the end. Before that, we'll check what is gonna happen this April. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep this card aside here with me. Yes. Now let's shuffle the cards. I'm gonna shuffle it in front of you and let's see what is gonna happen this April for you guys. Okay. So pile 1 collective. So as I'm shuffling the cards, I want you guys to calm yourself down. Okay, do not think about anything. I'm gonna shuffle the cards. Think about how your April month is gonna be. Okay. So we have 10 of Pentacles. Yes, I'm gonna keep this aside. So we have King of Swords. This is a nice. So I'm getting a lot of powerful energy coming up for you guys. Let me just pull out another card. Pile 1 collective. How is your April month gonna be? Okay, so oh my god. We have 4 of Pentacles. One card just fell down. Let me just get it. Yes, I'm sorry. So 2 cards fell actually. One is the Moon and the second is Prince of Wands. So this 2 card falling together. I'm getting a message about this April. So I'm feeling first half of your April is gonna be kind of lazy, boring, nothing to do, feeling lazy. Yes, there is no forward movement happening. For some of you guys, I'm feeling stuck. I'm feeling that you guys would want some kind of answer. Maybe you have applied for something and you're waiting for the answer so that you could start away, and you're impatiently waiting to start your new life. Okay, so by new life, which is highlighted, I am seeing this April month for more. I'm seeing for everyone here a new beginning. There is something which is ending and you're going to open a new opportunity is going to come up, and you're going to open something, a treasure, a new life. Okay, so new beginning and passionate beginning. Okay, something that you love to do, something that you want to do. Okay, so the first half of the month is you waiting for something to happen, and you're waiting lazily, but in a very impatient way. And for some of you guys, I'm also feeling that first half of the month, I am seeing that a lot of laziness energy is surrounded, as I said before. But one more thing that I'm getting is wasting your time. Even if you're waiting something to happen, you could use this time efficiently, strengthen your core values, or explore new skills that you have it inside you but you have no idea about it. Getting a course or a certificate or something. Just do not waste your time, even if you're waiting an answer, waiting for an answer, waiting something to happen. But most importantly, this April month for you guys is more like a new beginning. Something new is gonna happen in your life, and it's mostly based on career opportunity rather than if you're thinking this April month is gonna be full of love, then yes, but not in a romantic way. but it's more like love and passion towards your career. I'm seeing a sudden boost of energy inside you guys second half of the month. Okay, a lot of good things are gonna come up. Okay, so the first card that I pulled was Ten of Pentacles. Now looking at the Ten of Pentacles, I'm seeing I'm sorry. I'm seeing money highlighted here. Okay, Ten of Pentacles is mostly about money. But you know what? I'm seeing a father figure actually kind of sad but unable to do anything. Not sad, but just tired. Maybe it's your father or an uncle or a grandfather that you would come across when they'll be so fucking tired. Okay, this April maybe they'll be drained and they'll be tired and feel like I just need some break. I just need some rest. You know, I'm doing a lot for this family, and the least I expect is to someone's support. You know, lend me a hand in earning or something of that sort. So don't take it in a negative way that um, don't take it in a negative way that your father or your grandfather is expecting you to earn something in this house and you're doing nothing. Do not feel it that way. Instead feel that yes, accept it that this person is tired, and as you feel like having break at times in your life, even this individual needs rest, right? So, and I'm also seeing first half of the month, you're gonna have a lot of expenses which your father figure is gonna be very tired of it, or it could be a husband as well if you're watching this, but mostly I'm seeing a masculine figure highlighted. Okay, so you need to take care of that. And mostly I don't know why it's not in the cards, but I'm getting this energy that most of the people are gonna get some kind of spa or massage or some kind of uh, relaxing happening this April. Yes, and it's gonna be fun for you guys. Okay, so this is it. And yeah, but I'm also seeing for some of you guys money flowing in as you are taking up a new opportunity. A new beginning is coming, right? You're taking action towards it, and I'm seeing lump sum of money entering in your life. So abundance is happening, definitely coming in. Okay, so this is the first card, and then we have King of Swords. Now looking at the King of Swords, it's more like I am seeing someone is gonna challenge you. Now look at this face. There's a smirk. Okay, someone is smirking and challenging you, not through words but by their actions or the way they look at you. Maybe they'll eye roll, or maybe they'll look at you in a way that you'll feel like this person is kind of challenging or threatening me, and they don't have any idea what I am capable of. And this person who you're gonna come across is again a male figure. It could be a friend of yours or an uncle or a cousin or anyone who is gonna underestimate you. Yes, so you're gonna show this person what you are capable of, and this person will mistake you into something that you're stupid or dumb, or you have no idea what to do. You're just roaming around wasting your life, and this person would definitely think that about you. But I'm seeing you showing up. I'm seeing you coming out of that shell and revealing your true self by the light that is shining inside is gonna come out, and you're gonna be bright star. You're gonna be a star. So definitely. But I'm also seeing some of you guys buying a new shoe. I got a vision that you're in a shopping mall or somewhere and shopping, and you're getting a new shoe or something like that, trying a new shoe. I got a vision. Yeah, so it could be for some of you guys. And I don't know if it's a shoes or jeans or pants or formal pants or something regarding the leg that you are trying in a mall or in a shopping area. I don't know. I'm getting this vision. It could be anything. Okay, guys. Yes. And anything else if I'm getting from this card? Um, Nothing major, but I am also seeing as it's fully blue highlighted. And we have the moon card as well here. We got the moon also. So I'm seeing you honoring your inner feminine, or what do you say? You're gonna feel a lot of emotions this April. And these emotions are gonna be a burst, okay, inside you, not in a negative way, but those emotions are gonna be like an overflow or a tsunami coming up. And I'm sorry, and these emotions will help you lay your boundaries, lay your principles, and you will rise up as a phoenix. Yes, like something like you really I feel like for some of you guys who are watching this video, maybe ended a cycle, or something has ended recently. For some of you guys, it could be a recent heartbreak, or something is ending a part of your life, in one aspect, one part of your life in an aspect of your life, if that makes any sense. I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. So one part is being ended, okay, and you are learning that lesson, and you're coming out of that cycle, feeling all those emotions, and feeling all at once, and healing it and letting it go. Okay, so this is a beautiful energy that I'm feeling. So this April is going to be a kickstart for you, and you'll feel like, that's it, I'm done with wasting my life and waiting for people to come up to me, and I need to take action when it comes to my life. I can't expect people to come for me and help me and be there for me. That's all bullshit. This is my life. I need to take action. How do I want my life to be in the future? Yes, if I'm imagining or desiring something to happen, I have to go there. I have to reach that goal. So I am taking the action. So I'm seeing you guys taking a decision, a major decision. Yes, as we have King of Swords also, it also says that you're accepting whatever emotions you are having inside you and taking a decision. You're taking a decision and moving ahead, moving forward. Now looking at the Four of Pentacles, I'm also seeing by taking decision in your life, you're opening a new person. I don't know how to tell you this. For example, like I am Anisha, right? So just place your name and my name and check it out. So I am gonna be a new Anisha this April. The same goes for you guys. You're gonna be a new person this April. Like you're opening another thing that is residing inside you, a new some magic is inside you, a new what do you say, capability or a talent or a skill, news, a rebirth is happening. Yes, so that is highlighted. Now this April month is totally, mostly I'm feeling a lot of energetic emotions as well as activeness is generating, plus some kind of laziness in the first half of the month. So in that first half of the month, as I said, it's going to be full of laziness, as we have the moon also. So first half of the month, I feel like you're going to explore your emotions to heal it. You're letting the emotions come out, letting those emotions in the surface, and accepting it, healing it, and letting it go. So that is the reason maybe the first half of the month you won't feel like going out or taking action. Maybe you'll feel like just being lazy, because you're just so tired of everything, dealing with your own shit inside your head, your mind, your soul, and everything. So it's gonna be tough for you. Yes. And it's gonna be beautiful too. So this April is gonna be like a double role. You're gonna play a double role here. So but those emotions, both the emotions are in extreme. Okay, so the first half of the month is an extreme emotional period, and the second half of the month is totally active. As we have Prince of Wands, activeness is generating inside you because you're boosting up your energy. So that is much more beautiful, and it shows how you are you are breathing a new life. Rebirth is highlighted. So definitely new things, okay, new things, new you, new opportunities, opening up a new what do you say, miracles or anything. So it's like fully new April. So let's come to common physical things which might happen. So one thing that I said was shoes. You're buying shoes or formal pants or some jeans or something in a shop. I am seeing, as I said, you will come across your father or a masculine figure being tired, and just they need they just need some time to relax. And another thing that I said is, you maybe, for some of you guys, okay, going to a spa or getting a massage done or something like that. But I'm also seeing, as we have Prince of Wands in the middle, I'm seeing you being in some people gonna be impulsive, and they're gonna meet an accident. Okay, so make sure you drive slowly. Maybe just do not be do not speed drive. Yes, do not speed drive. This is just like, take it as a guidance or a warning. So yeah. And for some of you guys, I'm also seeing you going to beach or a resort or a swimming pool. You're gonna be in a pool. Yeah, obviously summer is coming up, so I guess this is highlighted. But you're gonna go with not alone, but I'm seeing family, either family or friends. Okay, so and next is for certain people who are gonna turn 18 this year, 18 this year, this month, 18, okay, only 18 who are gonna turn 18 this month. One thing which is highlighted for you guys is sudden calling of something, okay, and sudden calling, you won't expect it, but something will call you. And I don't think so it would be a distraction, but people around you, your mom, your dad, everyone will say it's a distraction, don't go the other side. And but however, it will look attractive to you and it will call you. Now this is not a small thing, like maybe an apple is calling you, or maybe someone the other side of the road is calling you and you're going up. No, this is something else. For example, you're doing some career right now, but another thing is calling you. Maybe dancing. Just this is an example, okay? It doesn't have to be dance really, but like something is calling you, and your people around you will say, no, no, don't go there. You need to concentrate here. You're gonna have your exams, and just don't distract yourself. But you're not gonna listen to it. You are gonna go towards that, and I'm seeing you being successful in that. Okay, so a sudden calling. But if you have a calling right now, then that is not what I'm speaking about. I'm seeing a new calling happening, a new thing which you will you know what do you say, which you will feel like, oh my god, I want to try this, I want to explore more, and you'll be impatient because it will call you out. So that is like your soul purpose is calling you. So when your soul purpose calls you, you can't stop it. You, even if you ignore that and go to the other path or go to the other way, it's a circle happening. That other path is also gonna land you there only, your soul purpose. Okay, because I've been there. So yeah, let's come back to the reading. I'm sorry. And if you guys have a pet in your house, for some of you guys, I'm seeing negative energy surrounding your pet. A spirit is trying to I'm so sorry. A spirit is trying to hypnotize your pet, or is trying to kill your pet, or I don't know, but a bad energy. If you have a pet, I'm seeing a negative energy, a spirit calling that pet, so you have to take care of it. Okay, so another thing, yes, I guess that is how your April month is gonna be like. Full of money, new opportunities, taking action, emotional, feeling everything emotionally, extremely, and prioritizing yourself, laying your boundaries, or rebirth is highlighted. So yes, so this was your reading pile 1. Now let's check your theme. Yes, so what is your theme gonna be for this April month? Okay, I'm sorry, I don't read reverse. So we have Ace of Wands. Now what is Ace of Wands? Okay, Ace of Wands is new beginning, a passionate beginning, something new happening. Okay, so something like this. Wait a minute. Yes, I'm sorry. So yes, Ace of Wands is like a new beginning, a passionate beginning, a new project, creativity flowing in. So definitely this is your that is what your cards showed, right? So that is what it is. So a lot of activeness, new energy, new is highlighted, rebirth is highlighted. Ace of Wands is also means birthing a new project, birthing a new creative project, birthing a new career opportunity or anything. So definitely this resonates. So pile 1, this was your reading. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you liked my video. If you feel grateful, you should actually subscribe to my channel. Yes, so please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if you liked it or not. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye guys, good luck. Hey beautiful people, divine folks, I love you all. I don't know why, but this just came out of my mouth. Maybe if you guys are questioning if someone ever loves me, will I get the love I deserve? Does anyone even love me? I'm sending you love through my video here. Feel it, guys. I'm sending love and healing to you guys. I love you people. You're doing great. You're amazing. You are beautiful. Okay, I love you. Okay, I need you. You need me. We need each other. Yes, so I love you. Now, so let's come back to the reading. If you have chosen pile 2, now let's check. Now this card is the theme of your April month. Okay, so what is the theme for you guys this April? Now we are gonna open this. We are gonna see this at the end of the reading. Before that, I'm gonna shuffle the cards here and we'll check what is gonna happen this April for you guys. Okay, I'm so tired. Are you tired? Maybe I'm feeling you guys energetically. Are you guys tired? I wasn't tired in pile 1. I was feeling energetic. I guess as I am tapping into your energy, I'm feeling tired. A lot of things are happening in your life, guys. Okay. So I feel like for some of you guys who are watching this video might feel like, oh, I'm tired. Everything is messed up. Career, health, love. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to figure it out. Oh my god. So if you're feeling that way, it's okay. Everything will be fine. Divine timing. Yes. Take things slowly. Have daily goals, mini goals. At times when I am piled up with a lot of things happening in my life, I write it down. I make a timetable or something, short term goals. Today I'll finish this, tomorrow I'll finish that. So it'll help you. Okay, so let's check what is gonna happen this April for you guys. And we have 5 of Wands. Okay, so I'm saying fight. Now I'm getting 3 messages from this card. One is you're gonna fight really bad to a person or your partner or with your family member, cousin, sibling, something like that. 2, I'm seeing a competition happening if you are gonna give some kind of exams or if you're gonna take up a new things or I don't know, competition is highlighted. Okay, And the third thing that I'm getting over here, I was getting it. I don't know. Wait. Oh my god. Wait. Let me check again. This is Five of Wands, right? Mm, I'm seeing be playing around for some of you guys. Playing, playful energy. But I don't know. This is like if it's like 1% of people who are watching this video might have a play fight or pillow fight or something. But most importantly, I am seeing you fighting or having an argument. Yes, the third message that was coming through is you being in conflict with your mind and heart. Oh my god, how did I miss this? Yes. This happens with me because there's a lot of messages flowing in. So uh, it's just overwhelming at times. But yes, the third message that is coming through is you being in conflict. Maybe you have to make a decision or something, or for some of you guys, I'm feeling like you have to make a decision about walking out of a certain situation or a person, walking out of a room of people, or I don't know, toxic thing is coming up, and you have to take a decision if you want to stay there, or if you want to move out from that area or a person or that situation, because it's giving you a lot of negative vibes. Okay, so you will be in conflicting energy whether I should leave or stay. Oh my god, I don't want to hurt anyone else, but you're hurting yourself by not hurting others. Okay, so one thing what happens is, okay guys, this I learned the hard way, but I got it why this happens. You might feel I do not hurt anyone. I am giving everything to people. I am sacrificing myself for their happiness. They don't return back the same energy. No, this does not happen. So, what happens is you are expecting someone to give you. You're over giving. Your heart chakra needs healing, guys. So, what I'm seeing over here is, guys, what happens is when you abandon yourself and just because you don't want to hurt anyone else, and you abandon your feeling and reject yourself, you are giving the vibration to the universe that I reject myself, I abandon myself, I sacrifice for people. So what happens is the universe is going to give you the same vibration. It reflects back the same vibration, and people will do the same shit, keeping on rejecting you because you reject yourself, right? So why would people accept you or prioritize you if you're showing them, if you're teaching them that, I come second, please don't prioritize me. No, this doesn't happen. This doesn't work. That, hey, I am prioritizing you, you need to prioritize me. No. No. Do not expect someone to prioritize you until and unless you yourself don't prioritize. Then why would others prioritize you, guys? Why would they sacrifice for your needs? You keeping on sacrificing yourself, overgiving, and expecting someone will come and fill your cup when your cup is empty. You're not receiving from yourself. You're expecting to receive from others. You're expecting someone to give you. Okay, you have to give yourself, you have to receive it from yourself. Okay, once you prioritize yourself, respect your feelings, make a decision which serves your higher purpose instead of being in conflict with your heart or mind of hurting others. Should you do this or not? No, take a decision. If I'm gonna do this, is it gonna serve me for my higher purpose? No, then I should not go there. I should make my own decision. I should follow what serves my higher purpose. Okay, so take it on that basis. Even if it's your family members, guys, initially you would feel like, oh my god, no, how could I do this? I felt the same thing, but naturally what happens, you raise your vibration. and they won't come and disturb you. They won't. It's like when your vibration doesn't match with an individual who is toxic to you, they'll get intimidated by you and they won't even come and knock you off. They won't even try. They can't, you know. You are living in another vibration, in a very positive. Energy is very real, guys. It's very real. As I said in the beginning, I'm sending you love and healing. I'm sending you that energy. Accept it. It's important. Okay. Coming back to the reading, I guess this was a spiritual connection session. Maybe this April for you guys, it's gonna be a lot of tower movement coming up. A lot of truth, yes, a lot of truth is gonna be revealed. Now, the truth could be about a person in your life, you know, that they're backstabbing you or something, or it could be, or a truth about spirituality, a truth about yourself, a truth about how energy works, yes, a truth about how you should apply your skills, or it's anything, okay, a truth, some truth you're learning, some law you are learning, something you're gonna know the truth behind why things happen in a certain way. It could be anything, but truth is highlighted. A new truth is enlightening inside you, and you're getting a clear picture why certain things happen, or you getting a truth, or you know, I'm sorry, you getting a clarity or knowing a truth about a certain person who always had ill intentions towards you, but you thought otherwise. Okay, so yeah, now let's check. So yes, let me conclude with this Five of Wands card. Fight. It could be a conflict between your heart and mind, or it could be you getting into an argument with your family member, or your friends, or your partner. Third was, what did I say? Competition, yes. Okay, now what I'm picking up from this pile too is you guys are very dreamy. You get lost easily, because I am getting lost. No, I'm not getting lost. It's just I'm forgetting easily only for you guys. Maybe you are dreamy, you forget easily, you get distracted easily. Maybe you guys are a lot creative. Okay, so I guess as I'm tapping into your energy, this is happening with me. So yeah, now give me a confirmation in the comment below. Are you guys that way? Now let's check what is gonna happen this April month for pile 2. We have Six of Pentacles, the High Priestess, and the deck energy that we have is, wow, so cool, the Hermit. Okay, so this April, if you guys are watching pile 2, I mean pile 2 guys, pile 2 collective, not a lot of action is happening here. Instead, I'm seeing you guys going into your shell. I am seeing you, some of you guys who are watching this video might go through a spiritual awakening. Yes, getting in touch with your intuitive side, getting in touch with the universe, with spirituality, knowing the truth behind spiritual concepts. Yeah, now the High Priestess is also an energy. You know, this card mostly speaks about getting in touch with your intuition and knowing the truth. You know, not living in an illusion, but living in truth. Yes, so this is beautiful. For some of you guys, I'm seeing an honest conversation happening between two people. It could be a couple, or it could be someone who are making amends, solving some kind of fights or misunderstandings. Okay, I'm seeing an honest conversation happening, a vulnerable and honest conversation. And regarding the Six of Pentacles that we got, I'm seeing you testing other people. I am now, this April is gonna be the filter month for you guys. Filter as in you're gonna filter who are real in your life and who are fake. So you're gonna test a lot of people this April month. Now let's see how is this person gonna react or respond. I really wanna see, are they gonna get mad at me? How are they gonna react? Did I do something wrong? Or things like that. This thing is coming up now. So you're gonna play the universe and the high priestess card by testing others and seeing who is real and who is fake. This is beautiful. Now April month is gonna be a lot of drama for you guys. A lot of tic tac happening. You smirking, smiling, and getting to know the real truth behind people. And actually, I'm seeing eye opening this April month for you guys. Yes, you know what, I'm also seeing, I'm getting a vision that I don't know, mostly I'm seeing Lord Shiva. I don't know, but I'm seeing Lord Shiva for you guys. I'm seeing a vision that you'll be sleeping at night and Lord Shiva is gonna hover at you, hover on you, or what you say, hover, and is gonna protect you because maybe in the dream state or in the physical state as well, some negative entity will try to come up and something like that. But I'm seeing Lord Shiva protecting you while you're sleeping. Okay, I'm seeing that vision, I'm seeing that light, I'm seeing you sleeping peacefully. This is beautiful. Now, so you know what? This shows that as we have the high priestess, and as I said, you're getting to know the real truth and um, getting into spiritual journey, you are going into that spiritual awakening journey, a lot of truth coming in. Now the high priestess is also like a third eye opening, your third eye. Now Lord Shiva is the god of the lord of third eye, so this is again relating. So definitely your intuitive skills are gonna build up. You're gonna take decisions based upon your gut instinct. Yes. So now, so as you have conflicting energies, mind and heart, what decision should you make? I'm seeing you going with your gut instinct. I'm seeing you going with your intuition. So this is powerful. Oh my god, pile 1 was energetic as well, and pile 2 is heavily energetic. This month is badass. No offense, but April month is going to be a drama, a total picture, or a series, or a movie happening in your life, guys. Truth being revealed, you going into the shell and getting to know the people, getting to know who is real in your life and who are faking it, coming into conflicting energies, fighting for yourself. Yes, so we have 5 of wands in the middle. As I said, fight, fight, fight. It could also mean you standing up for yourself, you standing up for what you want, what you need, and what you feel like you should. Maybe someone is gonna reject your opinion or view or reject your desire to do something about your life, something in your life, but they will reject your decision when it comes to your life, and you're gonna stand for it, you're gonna fight for it. So that is highlighted. I'm also seeing most of the guys, this is like a message, channelized message that I'm seeing one or two individual watching this video might go into astral traveling at night. Okay. Um. Anything else? Wait. A lot of messages are coming in. Let me gather it all together and go one by one. I'm seeing a vision of a person sitting and writing something in their diary. It could be a poem or article or just a normal personal diary entry or about your timetable, work schedule, or it could also mean you visualizing or manifesting anything in your life. But I'm seeing a vision, you writing something on your note. Okay. Mostly at night. Okay. Anything else? I'm seeing you guys staying in, not going out, not feeling like going out or partying or hanging out. I'm seeing you being closed off because you don't want to go out, because you don't feel like going out, something of that sort. Anything else for you guys? That's it, I guess. So I'll just conclude it. You're gonna test a lot of people. Intuitive skill, intuitive side is gonna be very active. Conflicting decision is made by your gut instinct. You standing up for yourself. Competition highlighted with whatever you're doing. An honest, vulnerable conversation happening between two people. Mm, yeah, spiritual awakening. An honest, a truth being revealed behind certain things which happened in your life. I'm also seeing forgiveness highlighted. I'm seeing you forgiving people who hurt you in the past and letting it go, healing it. Okay. Yes, I'm seeing you writing something on a note. I'm seeing Lord Shiva protecting you. I'm seeing some of you guys astral traveling. I'm seeing you guys mostly isolating yourself, not going out. I'm seeing interestingly, as we have five of wands, looking at the hen or cock or what, I don't know, this, it's like it's uninterrupted. It's like it doesn't care. Not interested in gossip or drama happening around or wherever. So you're gonna be in that hermit mode, right? You're gonna be in that zone, like, I don't care. Until and unless it relates me, I'm gonna fight for it. If not, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a damn. Just uninterrupted. You're so much into yourself. So, one thing coming up. Yes, so that is it, I guess. You know what? Interestingly, this actually kind of attracted me in this car. In the high priestess dress, there is some kind of a dragon rising. Now, this card is kind of attracting me towards that dragon is actually pulling her down while she's connecting to the otherworldly truths like intuitive skills. So, this is the negativity trying to pull down and trying to pull down, and maybe that is the reason Lord Shiva is protecting you guys. That light is hovering over you. Oh my god, that light is hovering over you. I hope, yeah, it's clear. Yes. So this is beautiful. Pile 2, this was your reading. Please do like, comment. Oh, wait. Look! Oh my god, Pile 2 guys, you're so forgetful, so dreamy. I forgot this. I never do that, but I guess I was reminded, right? So maybe I was guided. But you guys are so much into distraction or forgetting stuff or being dreamy every time. Let me know in the comment if you are like that, because I really want to know. So let's see what is the theme for you guys this April month, and we have Ace of Swords. Now, first of all, in that Ace of Swords, infinity is being highlighted. So infinity is like a lot of things happening all at once, because Ace of Swords highlights again new beginning and revelation of truth. Ace of Swords is clarity. Ace of Swords is, the meaning of Ace of Swords is clarity. Cutting out the illusions and coming into reality, awakening. I'm seeing truth being revealed. So definitely, this is definitely your theme, guys. So infinite truths happening all at once, back to back. So that is the reason I guess the infinite thing is coming up. And this was your reading pile 1. I'm sorry, pile 2. Please do comment, like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, guys. Please like the video if you liked it or not. Dislike it if you did not like it. It's okay. I'm open to everything. Yes, and I guess I'm gonna be grateful and thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys will be grateful as well by subscribing and liking to my video and channel. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Bye. Once again, I love you all. Bye. Hey beautiful people, if you have chosen pile 3, let's check what is gonna happen this April month for you guys. Yes, so now this card is the theme for your April month and we are gonna check this card later. We're gonna check this at the end. We're gonna look what is gonna happen this April month for you and then we'll check what is the theme gonna be. Now I'm sensing some of you guys who are watching this video is thinking, what a stupid individual I am. First the person should show what the theme is gonna be and only then they should check, and this person is checking how the month is gonna be and then checking what is the theme. Is she mad? I'm sorry if you feel that way, but actually I was guided that way that show them how the month is gonna be and only then reveal the theme. I don't know for what purpose, but I was guided. So yes, if you think I'm stupid, feel free to think about it. It's okay. Yes, so we're gonna check that at the end. We're gonna shuffle this card and see what is gonna happen this April month for you guys. Okay, I'm feeling while shuffling the cards, let's make it fast. I don't know. For some of you guys who are watching this video, I'm sorry. For some of you guys who are watching this video, I feel like you are in a hurry about something. You are restless or hurry in terms of you want to go out, but you want to just see how the video is gonna be and a little gist of it. So you're just in a hurry. I have 10 minutes. I can watch this video or something like that. Some of you guys, I'm watching that you people are in the washroom. A person or someone is in the washroom and watching my video. I'm not watching anything, but I just got a vision. So let's check. Let's not delay. Yes, and see what is gonna happen this April. Yes. I am sensing playful a little bit because I'm feeling playful. But yeah, let's check. Okay. So how is this April month gonna be for Palti? Let's be serious. Ten of Pentacles. Two cards came up together. We have the Devil and Temperance. Ooh. Now looking at the Devil card, I actually don't feel negative. Instead, I'm getting a positive aspect here. I'll tell you. Wait up. Feel like pulling out one or two cards more. I don't know why I do this. I always think that no, this time I'll only pull 3 cards. But things happen, Just Prince of Swords. Okay, these cards are too big. Prince of Swords. Another card. Let's see what is gonna happen this April month for Pile Collective. You're distracted, guys. Some of you guys are watching this video are looking away somewhere else. Please watch here. Two of Cups. Okay. So I'm gonna start up with one message that I'm getting through. This could be only for some people who are in a twin flame connection. Only if you are. If you're asking me in the comment section, what is a twin flame? I actually googled it, but I can't understand. Then it's not for you at all. It's not for you. You're not in a TF connection. Please don't ask. Even if you ask someone, even if you Google it 100 times and you don't get what it means, then it's definitely not for you. Okay? Please take the messages which resonates with you. Okay, guys? Now, for people who are in a divine connection, that is a twin flame connection, I'm seeing something happening. I'm seeing an honest conversation, but it's gonna be on and off. You'll be confused about your partner's move, of your counterpart's move, because 1 second they'll be like all in and the other second they'll be all out. So you're asked, that is happening because some aspect of your life you're not integrating or balancing your inner masculine and inner feminine. A balancing of energies is needed. Once you balance your energies and keep your calm, the thing is you're scaring your counterpart when that I'm so sorry, when the counterpart comes into your life, you're scaring it. You are just scaring them away by not balancing your energies and keeping yourself in that calm situation. Okay, so make sure you are in that calm energy. Okay, that is one message coming through. Now let's get into the reading, guys. So pile 3, what I am seeing is you going against someone and making a very bullshit decision in your life. Okay, I'm going to be honest. Your family might stop you. Someone is going to stop you, someone is going to guide you. Don't go into that path. It's not going to bring what you feel like it's going to bring. Forget that energy. For some of you guys, it could be a love energy, a love partner. You are falling back to that toxic cycle again and again, and a person is kind of telling you, don't go back to that individual, they are toxic. End that cycle. Yes, but you are unable to, and you're going back towards that energy only. So you're making some bullshit decision here and you'll regret it. Take this as a warning or a guidance, but it's okay. Things are supposed to happen so that you learn, right? So if it's meant to happen, it will happen. The thing is, take this as a guidance and learn the lesson, learn that toxic cycle lesson or the karmic lesson before you're gonna go through that shit again. Otherwise, if you're not gonna listen and not gonna learn, you'll go through the repeated pattern again and again. And I guess you know what I'm speaking. I guess you know who I'm speaking to. I guess you know what aspect of your life I'm speaking about. Okay. One thing that I'm getting is you are least bothered about other people this April. You are so into yourself. I'm seeing even if things are happening, some chaos is happening outside of you, around you, or anything, you just don't care. You're very much into yourself. But one thing which is highlighted for some of you guys, I'm seeing you falling in love with yourself this April. I am seeing you embracing. I am seeing you guys dancing around, seeing you guys being happy, loving yourself and feeling hot. Some of you guys might feel sexy when they look in the mirror. You'll feel like, fuck, wow, I'm beautiful. So this is actually beautiful energy. You don't have to worry about it. I'm seeing for some of you guys, there could be like you are cooking something that you love. So cooking is good. And for some of you guys, I'm seeing karaoke party, or I'm seeing you singing with your friend or cousins, or having a bash, singing out and having fun. Singing is highlighted. If you're a singer, then yes, that's a good thing. But I'm seeing partnership. If you're a singer, I'm seeing you singing with someone. A partnership is coming up. Or if you just are a bathroom singer, then I'm seeing you uh, singing with another bathroom singer. Yes. Okay, and I'm seeing many of you guys are gonna sleep really amazingly this month. Amazingly, you're gonna sleep really, really well. But I'm also seeing that sleep turning into laziness. I'm seeing you feeling a lot sleepy. Yes, that's okay. That's okay because I'm getting the message that you guys need sleep. You guys haven't had a peaceful sleep, yes, so this is important. For some of you guys, I'm feeling that protect yourself in the dream state because negative energies are around you. So make sure you sleep with a crystal or call upon your higher self or angels or something like that. Because I don't know, looking at the devil card here, I'm seeing you sleeping really well, but negative energies are trying to get a hold on you guys. However, you don't care, so but you really need to protect your aura, okay? And I'm seeing a lady sewing something, sewing a cloth, sewing something, or packing something like that, and. It could be your mother, it could be your sister, or it could even be you, and you enjoying that environment or that surrounding. It's gonna be great. But you know what, I'm seeing this April month for you guys are you're gonna be in your power. So I said you're gonna make a bullshit decision, but this is coming out of egoistic masculine wound. Okay, even if someone says you do not go into that path that is gonna hurt you, you don't care because you know it deep inside it's bullshit. But you won't take advice from someone, you will not take advice. Even though if you want to, if you know that's not a good. This relates to only some of you guys who are watching this video. You know that path is not good for you, and if someone comes and advises you, you feel like your ego is hurting. You feel like, who is this person to tell me what to do? I'm gonna do it anyway. I don't fucking care. Okay, just do your business. Don't interrupt in my business. Do I come at you? Do I stick my nose in your business? No, right? I'm gonna do what I want. Who are you to tell me? Who are you to judge me or something like that? And I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, so this thing is gonna happen. Maybe this is a cycle for you. This is a toxic cycle that you're gonna end, that you're gonna heal, and that is the reason this thing is happening. No worries, everything is good. Um, so yeah, as I said, you're gonna be in your power. You won't fucking care about anyone or anyone's opinions, or you are gonna be in that power of yours, making your own decision. It's your life. I'm also seeing excessive spending happening this month for you guys. Make sure you get a hold, control your expenses, save a little. I'm seeing some of you guys showing off. Okay, this pile, I am really sorry, but this April is gonna be a lot toxic for you. So make sure that, I don't know, make sure it's gonna happen anyway. So just listen. At times, you know what happens when someone advises you or gives you any kind of guidance, take it in a way that an angel is actually helping you through them. Okay, they don't fucking care about your life. They also have a lot of things to do in their life, but they were nudged by your angels or your spirit team to tell you this. Take it as a guidance or a warning. Okay, do that. And for some of you guys, I'm feeling like you're gonna have sex this April. I'm gonna be honest, yes, and you'll feel good about it. It's a beautiful thing. Like, you will feel beautiful. For some of you guys, I'm seeing falling down from stairs or slipping away or hurting your leg. So make sure you um, walk slowly or take care. Don't hurry or don't be in hastiness or something like that. um I'm seeing your mom cooking something really good, or mom feeding you, or something like that. But yeah, I'm also seeing, for some of you guys who are watching this video, you're connecting to your inner child. Okay, a playful energy, so that is beautiful. You're gonna be playful, play pranks and hang out, enjoy. I'm seeing you eating a lot this April, having fun, eating a lot. One thing which is bad is sometimes power is actually good, but do not have that pride when it comes with power, Don't let your pride get in the way. Things are really good in your life, okay? Seeing you being happy, playing pranks, enjoying a good meal, sleeping amazingly, taking care of yourself, feeling beautiful, sexy, things are good. But sometimes take other people's advice. Okay, don't be egoistic. You won't even know that you're being egoistic. You'll just feel hurt, and you'll just things will happen and you won't know. So don't take this as I'm calling out you guys, or don't take this as an offense or something. I'm just being honest. Be matured and take this as a guidance or a warning that some things or some situation will arise this April. You'll remember my words. Sometimes listening is good. Sometimes listening and thinking about their perspective is good. Okay? At the end, it's your life. You're gonna make your own decisions. But think, yes, think. Yeah, and expenses, save your money and protect yourself and sleep. You're gonna have good food, you're gonna cook. Sex is highlighted, maybe falling down is also highlighted, so take care of that. And if you're in a TF, I said your counterpart is gonna be on and off on you because you need to balance some energies inside you. Yes, and keep your calm, okay? You're scaring them away. And anything else, protect yourself and sleep. I guess I said that before. You're gonna be in your power, you're gonna take a bullshit decision, go back to a toxic cycle. Yes. mm, Anything else? Playful pranks, showing off, having amazing sleep. So yeah, this April month is mostly gonna be chill for you guys. Chill, so nice. So now let's check your theme for the April month. It is the, is it? Yes, I'm sorry. So the theme for you guys is the Emperor, staying in your power and not giving up, being in your power. Hmm. The Emperor mostly speaks about being in your power and also growing. Yes, growth is highlighted. So maybe things are gonna happen this April for you to learn and grow from it. Yes. So this is beautiful. This is gonna be the theme for you guys, staying in your power this April. So yes, pile 3, this was your reading. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Do let me know in the comment section below if it resonated or if you liked it or not. I'm seeing you guys are gonna hold grudges on me. I suppose you don't, because I'm just gonna be honest with my reading. But take only what resonates. If you feel like this is not resonating with you inside your bones, if you feel like that, then it's not for you. You can choose another pile, or if no, the other two piles are not calling out to you, then this reading is not for you. Okay, guys, it's a general reading. Take what resonates. You can book a personalized session, no issues. Okay, so April month. This is your April month, and be nice, be good, be beautiful, be happy. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.